pre-extract the area that we encapsulated, treat it as pre-spray. And now we pre-sprayed and scrubbed it in, and now we're going to rinse it by spraying the water and then extracting the water. I usually do a wet, on this kind of soil carpet, I tend to do a wet forward, wet backward, release at the end, go another couple inches, wet forward, wet backward at the end, release and drag. If I don't, I end up with a wet line. If I go forward too quickly, again, go backwards. If I don't release and then drag it a little bit, I end up with a wet line that I don't pick up. So when I'm going to get wet, release, forward, release, drag, forward, release, drag, forward. And then go back over the whole area.